and move, pass and move. Mama sita tingo shedera mutuze, pass and move, Atina shikatima chinjari. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Depth 3 TV. This is a Pass and Mover special, proudly brought to you by our number one sponsor, Lucky Bets. Today we're right here at Barberfield Stadium. It's a Highlanders Football Club taking on Herentals Football Club. Welcome to Depth 3 TV, mtarami.
Yebo, wenjani?
Ayaphila mthala. Njengoba nitofuna uvulela abafana indlela. Khuluma nami igame namhlibona njani?
Highlanders 3 Herentals 0.
Umthala odlala iprediction esinjani? Mbano hlohla.
Kahlohlo hayi hlohla 3 ama strikers wathi ntsho njalo.
Buda siyavumelana nomthala.
Mina ngithi siyawina kodwa hayi yena uthe 3 mina ngithi 2-0. Lo mfana lo uthamba lo makopa lo obuyile lo uzalithele nethini namhla. Singakhangelela futhi lo anti uMzambia lo lokuzeni kakho uNigeria so singakhangelela lo ungoma. Ngibona ngani la ngalithele nethini nxa engaba khona.
Hayi khaya namadoda confident. La Buda ule confidence efanayo.
Lami ngikhamba ngongoma. Ungoma mele chaya namuhla. Vele ngithi ungoma straight. Vele ngisuke endlini. Sithi 2-0. 2-0.
Amadoda lawo ezwa confident. Mana sibona after ball ukuthi obaba la prediction yabo yaphuma yini. Sibona after ball chance after ball sibona ukuthi iyaphuma yini iprediction yini. Sharp. Buda siyamu sharp.
Ngishap mina hamba.
Mnandi welcome to Depth 3 TV kama mbani?
Maseko Absalom.
Absalom Maseko smart Buda siyamu siba i-channel yayilinda yabona representing.
Hayi sithe so wabona abafana akulanki.
Khuluma la Buda sibona namhlibona njani game namhla?
Hayi ngoba kona ungabafana lokho ngabe kwesikolo kuyagijima. Kuyazama kuyachova.
Awubhenza so esikolo
hayi laba besikolo beRentals.
Umdala wabubhenza so esikolo umdala we55.
Alright. But hayi abafana mesibachaya. Laba bamele sibachaya.
Lebachanga.
Mina ngibona ngathi lamhla kumele lathi sibili i2-0 mbi 2-1 kodwa hayi 2-0 lamhla.
Mbano hlohlayo?
Umnigeria ukhona lamhla.
Nigeria lama yellow card akakho namuhla.
Akakho lamuhla. Aish. Aso manje kunzima. Kunzima kodwa hayi 2-0. 2-0 zaphuma.
Ngumonga umbe mbano ombona namhla ngayenza ngcono.
Usayenza yini into ezenzakalayo ngoba ngathi asisaboni kahle la.
Let's talk about man of the match.
Umonga akuhlohla ngeke ahlohla. But hayi 2-0 mina yengani yayibona.
Nice one brother Sam.
Thanks bafo.
Asibona after ball asibona prediction ukuthi yaphuma yini.
Wethi sibone be. Ngizadlula ngubona khona.
Sharp brother. Hola.
Alright.
Buda Sam sharp.
Sharp skipper.
Mnandi welcome to Depth 3 TV Buda Sam.
Asiyabonga.
Khuluma lapha mdala wami. Herentals versus Highlanders uyibona njani game namuhla?
Namuhla so ngaba yi2-1 in favor of Poso.
Mbano hlohla.
Siropanga ref.
Baro uhlukhala yabo ref.
Umakopa yathola lakhe li1. Then omunye emunye liyabuya kumonga.
Kumonga.
Uhlala emeleke hlohla.
All right Buda Sam. So ongathethe lucky basement of the match mbani?
Namuhla ngihamba ngoshenje.
Change.
Number 20.
Defender. Nice one Buda Sam. Sweet Buda Sam. Shama my brother. Sham. Masauto. Awufa Masauto.
Afa mfowethu kuhamba njani?
Amna isibhuru mskibat.
Ujabulile?
Amna imnandi.
Indaba ngakuzwa ukuthi umnandi.
Amna imnandi clean.
Kathi wena very supporter.
Mina neutral. Andibona mntana nje iGwanda Pirates.
Neutral.
Supporter zonke zebhola.
eGwanda uyafika?
Bonke.
Akunjeni indawo yona eGwanda yazi.
Hayi phela ndaba stadium. Zwana asikhulume ngegame yanamhla.
Right. Ibhoso anjo. Ibhoso vele ayisozibulawe ngumuntu, ayisozibulawe mbani, ayisozinjani anti. Sayitshiyela ngabadala bethu. Bazilalela ngombe ngo1990 bani. So vele sikhamba layo. Sithi Poso hoye. Poso siyawina namhla 3 points. Siyazithatha. Siyawina 2-0.
Mbani hlohlayo?
Ohlohlayo oqala. Zwana ngutshela oqala uzahlohla njo. uRauja bengamfaka ule score. uRizini bengamfaka ule score. uPrince bengamfaka ule score. Ngile 3 bantu engilabo bonabo.
Kodwa i2-0.
I2-0.
Nice one Masauto. Asibona after Bora program.
Shaputa nkosi yabonga laphana. Nantani South, anti nalibona batala. Lingathali libonanga. Lingathali libonanga.
Shap Masauto. Yaphuma i2-0 yakho.
Skinny. Vele ongela mbuza. Hayi siphumele kahle kakhulu.
Hayi babili. Umele ubzibethi bona lubani.
Laphana kodwa umongo udlalile but awumavina bamnike.
Utshintshile igame manje.
Hayi utshintshile igame besimsole ekuqaleni nje wahlohla i1 yakhe wase wavuka umfana wazidlalela into yakhe right elesi2 wazihlolela futhi hayi abamnike.
Ngiyakubona uhappy.
Hayi ngihappy kakhulu.
Nice one Buras yami.
Shwila bana.
Sharp Buras. Sharp. Apa Buras yami. My brother.
Ninjani bro?
Njabula Skibani.
Hayi zomna.
Welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Aso iskiyo. Sibazuzile lapha.
2 not.
Hayi sibazusikhala eside. Iproblem into engibole yaba. Ayogqwa ama pink. Mama mase njani? Vele mase pensele team. Phambili.
Sharp my brother.
Phambili.
Vele ngaqwa pink wena uzubona.
Abo. Babe maladies lapha.
Sharp my brother. Buyakhala.
Sikufuna ukuthi they save abantu ababuyayo abathatha umsebenzi besuka ngale. Can they nature that and see ukuthi sisuke benzimena kodwa abasuke bephambili. Bebe beqine bephambili besebenzile le ndazi. Seba supporta lathi sikhona khonapho.
Yes my brother. Tobi.
Wafata la.
Zithi Tobi.
Clean.
Khuluma nami.
Ya namhla ngikhuluma ngokwemali nzima. Ngithi phela abakhaveni phela ngamabonus abafana njani. Bethola ukubona bezintshomphokela nice yathola. But hayi game badlalile. Hayi angisothi.
So benga wena bejophoka time.
Bentshompoke phela anti isisabe sesilesa mpela.
Nice one Tobi. My brother.
Alright Khatebe.
Amnandi khuluma nami.
Skibani. Namhlanje uyabona nani? Mina I've always been advocating ukuthi akube lo muntu oyi1 egodini lapha. I think his suspension kaDanch it was a blessing in disguise. Today we saw a 4-3-3 formation. Yachinja second half is 3-5-2. You could see ukuthi bes create ama chances especially second half and we got away with 2 goals. Vele idapu pivot ayisebenzi lapha kwaIlanders. Le double striking pairing ayisebenzi. Upavari ube right, lo mongameli lo Shelton. You could see even interchange of ama passes ukuthi abafana bebe le combination. So besicela ukuthi ubench even in next game adopted that 4-3-3 will create chances siyawina. Boso ngenkane.
Danko ngena la ukhuluma ibhola. Ukhuluma ibhola. Chairman.
Ola.
Yes aya.
Ibhoso
One love chairman.
Yabona manje into emele siyibona nje. Kathesi umfana kaBenji uJunior nje kumele sinike isikhathi. Ukuthi edlale kulesikhathi. Konke lokhu sabe sikubona nje. But uDand nguye umuntu wethu vele obambene iHighlander.
Noma thengekho.
Loba thengekho vele nguye umuntu onjani obamba ibhoso. Ibhoso vele kumele idlale injani. Ucoach wethu enga-experiment ukuthi
enganjani
ubani engazama experiment ukuthi engazama ukuthi test ebe test ubani kade
mana semvala Tobi ngiyavala ngobhutas khuluma la Tobi.
Hayi siyabonga abafana abadlalini. Eqaseni bebengani bayadelela igame bengani bafuna uyidelela ngamba bafuna uyisize. But babona hayi abafana belabo becollege ngani ba serious. But hayi siyabonga sithi danku.
Nice one my brother. My brother khuluma nami.
Mina iDub 3 ngiyayilandela la ku Facebook.
Siyabonga.
Akukho sitshela ibizo lakho kuthiwa ngubani.
Mina nguDeb 3.
UDub 3. Into sezela yona my brother. Hayi siyayibonga.
Ngukadebe isibongo.
Khatebe. Ngiyabonga my brother. Ngihlala sizwa every time sizwa ama views abantu. Sakuzwa le view yakho ukuthi wena ucabangani ngegame yalamuhla.
Ungangena ku YouTube ani. Ku YouTube uthi Deb 3 TV usubscribe. Uzabukela ukuthi mina ngithini kule show edlala khona phana ephuma amaMandays.
Yebo. Mina vele ngiyakulandela mngani wami.
So landela la ku YouTube.
Osenzela khona koBulawayo sofana. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you my brother.
Akula ngebhola lamuhla thanks son.
Nice one. There you have it, guys. The fans have reacted. My brother asivali khuluma nami semvali.
I-team idlale kuhle kakhulu. We are very happy ngendlela uBenji asethenga i-team ube ngekho for the past week but still umkhokheli la ekade senza kuhle. So we are really happy nge-score line and we hope next game yethu futhi sizakwanisa ukuthi siwin.
Danko. Ikarati lebhozo.
Litshona njani namhlanje?
Sharp karati lebhozo.
Siyabonga igame uzidlalile kamnandi. but baqala abafana besigijimisa kakhulu yazi besigijima kakhulu besigijima udlula inetwork but ekucineni hayi uzandla sesitshintsha amagiya abafana badonsile ama-socks hayi winners winile
so mnandi 2-0
siyadelela but besifana sibachaye 4-0 lazidlala abantwana besikolo phela besibehevele njalo kumele behlonipha abantu abadala thina kithi besithi social
sharp card le boss my brother
Thank you very much.
vumelane card le boss
All right. Let me start first by introducing myself.
what's your name my brother
Nkosikazi Mzaka Nkomo is my name.
nice one Nkomo
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mtala. Right. I am so happy about the win today, Anjo. But I am so worried and concerned about the way, Anjo. Team edlala ngakhona especially in the first half, Anjo. Besingu number 2 ePoreni. Besingu number 2 ngaphi ePoreni. We created a good number of meaningful chances, but we failed to find the back of the net, Anjo. So going forward, there is a need for a coach, Anjo, to work on the finishing, Anjo. We should have won this match 4-0 or more than 4-0, Anjo. Thank you very much, my friend.
uvumelana uNkomo Rastaman
Ngivumelana kakhulu. Ngithabe kakhulu indlela namhlanje yatshintsha ngayo team yami lana ngithanda kakhulu iBarcelona. Omavina ngibona into yenzeni kodwa abantu.
awubulele
Lelo khalo kunye ongafuni umfana omncane yazi ukuthi indlela adlale ngayo ngihlala ngithi ngabe ucoach abantu bayabananzelela and omavini labantu kanje awamahashi siyasonto ukuchiwa phandle ukuthi siyakufaka second half siyasesidliwe kudala mntana but abantu namhlanje asibaqhaqezela izandla
nice one Rasta so njena my brother
amna ngiyepi
my brother
kuchaye rentals so hayi kufana ukwansi 50 years after century angiyepi angida amaningi mdala
nice one my brother sharp
I forgot something, my brother. I give credit to our goalkeeper, one and only, tried and tested, Aaron Ngwenya, and our magician, the so-called Okocha Oeposo, Mongameli Chuma. Excellent, Bafana Macho. Keep it up. Thank you very much.
nice one Nkomo sharp uthini jamani
Hamba njani mtala?
khuluma nami
Hayi asibonge namhlanje. Siyalo ubusuku obuhlungu obusabo ukuthi umongameli sezahamba but umfana lona madodiyana zibhorayi. Udlala ngendlela engayisiyo. Hey!
engayisiyo
Emnandi kabi. Ejulileyo. Yazi yabona lana indlela esayigcina idlala kuLionel Messi ngensuku zayo.
abuya lapha Rasta buyana akuchaye ingoma yakho leyo udlikile so njena my brother
Right,
unsharp my brother skip
number 1 umongo udlalela ibhora igodi belibambile yabona uAaron Arusha kumele uhambe eCholocho bamba undofa lo uhlupha kondolo wakhe uyabulala
guys
hawu Arusha uyabamba undofa lo seCholocho ngale bamnika uArusha uyambamba
sharp my brother skip
Asiyaphila iBoso ngenkani. Asibabambile abafabe irenters becawuni ngeke sibalade. Enze mina nabo bafana bamba fukhuma something.
ababuye
All the way Usandi zobukela. All the way from basuke Manchester London bazobukela iBoso. Manchester.
kule idlwe City
I came all the way from the UK to see the Highlanders. Good game. 2-0.
It's same as the score that I'll see the beat your team Manchester in the UK.
That's not my team. It's this team.
It's this team. By the way,
but they good performance. I'm proud. I'm proud of the boys. I was happy.
Nice one, my brother. Sister, can come through. You also from Manchester?
But do ref fuze bemtshintsha. Hayi ref lapana usilisile lapha. But number 7 uyadlala umfana.
Mongo.
Uyadlala.
Now very okay. My brother.
Namhlanje interview ama diaspora. Sawuwethi nama local. Hayi. Siyabonga nice game. At least coach Serikavile Gakaya in the dugout. He's there. Nice team and the team rotated. Siyabonga at least the midfield yet is there. Umonga still a spark. Yeah, Captain America. We need more of Captain America. Namhlanje ungenile is a game changer. Siyabonga the team. 3 points esikhwameni.
Nice one, my brother. Mana so biyanga sikhuluma. Mana Mana sikhuluma la ukuthi biyanga. Mana ntayikhwele pura siyamusha.
Siyabonga iteam yethu sonke sicela siyithandene okweqiniso ucoach singesekeleni ukukhangela ucoach sikhangeleni ama players ukuthi wona athanda igame njalo siba supporteni every time singakhangela ukuthi wena ngubani sisekeleni ukusupporta into esingazaziyo supporteni ibhora siyabonga.
Nice one my brother. Buya buda siyami kuhle. My brother Richard.
Sharp. Hayi bhora yilo namhlanje umbhebo kwanamuhla umbhebo udlalile mbhebo asiyabonga mjala. Hayi bhora belimnandi kakhulu na support ibhora unengasicheck.
Machu insimbi ebhozo mfana keep on trying mfana lo monga siyabonga.
Nice one my brother. My brother.
Yeah, I like it for the Monga today. How Monga udlalile today. Umonga lo match abangenzile okunye la bengaze ngobone lo mbeba. Thank it for iphoso. Siyabonga for iphoso.
Nice one my brother. Putho omkhulu.
Yebo, hayi siyabonga. Okuhle kodwa kwendala hayi siyabonga. 100 years of existence. Hayi siyabonga sibili kuhle kakhulu. Sibonga i3 points. Hayi siyabonga. Umbeba Umahachi deserve to be in the national team.
One.
Umahachi. Umahachi.
Mela phenduka.
Umahachi kaphenduka national team. Siyabonga sibili. 3 points esikhwameni kwendala.
Nice one my brother. So my brother
ngisho mina uhamba
clean.
Clean uyabona I'm happy sizamile ukuphenduka from where we left. Thina sibe draw sidliwa but if a win comes siyabonga we take it ashiyabona kunzima yabona eBF la kunzima nxa sibuya sithola idraw we want a win always uBenji angimsoli everything is going fluently like now and sesifuna ukubona ukuthi wona kumele sithole kumbama win alandelayo asazi so that we can secure maybe 5 or 6 position. Isizini siyaphela sifuna 5. Yes, ngiyabonga Chomla.
Nice one my brother. Nice one. Zogana. My brother. Zogana. Mana ngale khumbe lo bhuta bese khulubana. My brother.
Tobi hamba njani?
Amna clean hamba.
Hayi game. Hayi ukholisa. Hayi clean. Vele besifuna 3 goals. But lapha kushothe nje okuncancane kuphela ukuthi kube 3 goals. Ipoint vele siyayibona ipoint ama-point.
Show mnami. Ile isitsho mnami.
Mara jaman kuthela something. Mara jaman. Yazikhaza kuyi. Utopi yazikhaza amadlami zana akho. Mana ungavali ikamera. Kuba lo mtara.
Yazi i-Herentals hayi. Ayahlupha i-team la. Yahlupha i-team la. Asikaze siyichaye phela mangamanga. But sibulele namuhla yi. Apha umonga njo. Asimhlonipheni nomonga. Umonga namhla udlalele sibili. Hayi ama-passes sizamkhumbule ngahamba. Hayi ngiyabonga.
Uchaye malume. My brother.
Keep on. Long time, all right?
Zamcharo. My brother.
Shapra.
Keep on. A long time.
Long time put us. We are happy. I'm just winning.
Amazuma luchwana.
2-0 sizwele mna.
Amazuma luchwana.
Amazuma luchwana. Anamtasa
Put us.
Kube yi-2-1
2-0.
Mina nje 2-1. Kungcono. Yabo liyanikani madoda.
Akungcono.
Bariza izamile team man.
Mana singaba lolutho sakwenzela something ngokwelakhe bit sakuphathela.
Ngiyabe ngikhona khona. Into engiyithandayo umonga istyle siya.
Nice one. Sharp putters. Nyakufaka Tobi. Tobi,
my guy.
Is keeper.
Zithen.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
My team idlalwa ngabantu bayo. Iyawina.
Uthoni ngaso njalo?
Into yabona ama imports la singawaziyo. Yiyo adlisa team.
Zona sengu studio.
Man, uyophambanisa umuntu. Putters. Buya. Ngifuna ukuqedisa inkulumo yakho.
Inkulumo yami yokuthi anti liyabona uAmerica umuntu wakithi alibona ungene wenzani liyabona uvela ungene wenzani i-team yethu sikhuluma one thing we want abantwana bakithi bedlala i-team yethu ngoba i-team yesintwini isegazini siyawina kuphela nxa silongu kungabantwana bakithi abadlalayo. Thank you Tanko.
Nice one my brother. Tobi.
Sharp my brother.
Sharp was keeper.
I'm sweet my brother.
Ubone njani game?
Game ibimnandi 100%.
You are happy?
Standard esisifuna kuphoso. Chillers ngenkani ongafuni ukayekele.
Nice one my brother.
What's up?
My brother,
How you doing?
My brother.
Yes.
Khuluma lapha.
Yeah. What I was disappointed about, we won yes 2-0, but the something is a statement that the crowd has to say. That's not a crowd for Highlanders. Well done, Mengameli and stuff like that. But as a coach, as our Highlanders executive, we should look at why are we not as Bulawayo coming to support Highlanders. There's a problem somewhere that we cannot address here in a public platform. But happy for Highlanders, but I'm not happy about the crowd.
Siyabonga maphoso amahle kuthiwa ibhoso ubuhle babalandeli bayo sibuyile ngobunengi bethu we are very impressed ngama results siwatholileyo doko kunye nje siyasola kodwa kusalayo siwinile ubuhle bebhoso ngabalandeli bayo we were there abalandeli bayo amahlola enyama amathendele. Thank you so much maphoso amahle for the support that we had today.
Thank you my sister. Toby.
Sithanda ukubonga uma-America hayi umfana eqhubeke senza njalo hayi umongameli noma ezoshiya kodwa hey sibuhlungu
Uvuvala ikamera. Uvuvala ikamera. Ungayenzi into yakho ya. Buya Toby. Putha siyami.
Yeah, fasting.
Nanshapo skibani.
Mina ngishapo.
Highlanders 2 Highlanders 0 ubone njani game?
Game ube mnandi nabafana badlale kuhle nje hayi. Lathi siyajabula siyathaba lapha esikhona because abafana basinika igame. Badlale kuhle akula umuntu esimsolayo yonke team i-right.
Yonke into isi-right kade.
Yonke into i-right for today.
Okhathesi yonke into isi-right.
For today hayi abafana badlale kuhle basijabulisile lathi siyabonga. City Power Highlanders ibhozo.
Team Pozoro.
Khuluma istory sakho ngizwe.
Emergency awayesonke ceremonial njani Puthaza asizikhala ubhejani is the best coach esilaha kathezani is the best coach and afuthi ngithi YouTube ukutheni Putha wamanje wezaphela ubhejani izakuthiwa something khona sport
My brother.
Siyabonga itimu asingehlala sichawa abantwana abancane abantwana besikolo siyayibonga itimu number 1 ngoja umntwana wakho omfundisayo
Kamanje ukhalela ntombi.
Hayi ngikhalela wini
My sister Sharp. Sharp my sisters. Libone njani game?
Happy. We are very, very much excited. We thank you. Our Barcelona senze proud.
Nice one, my sisters. Tado.
Into mfuna ukuyitsho kuphela ukuthi siyabonga ukuthi injiva zikhona zibuyile zazobona i-team zinjani. It's over and we apologize to our fans for postponing Eros, but it's on the 25th of September. Singakatsho njalo siyabonga ukuthi ama coaches alalela time la nxa ama fans ekhuluma because namhla sesayidla i-rentals iqhegu alidlalanga bekukhanya ukuthi konkona i-team injani imithova kuhle but umonga I think ukuthi konkona nxa kule kukwanisa ukuthi amalahle abuyele wangani imali ethu basiphendukise eyadrok simamse kwenye indawo injiva sibele injiva lapha
Alo Ndazula.
I'm always watching this show.
Use Ndazula.
Ndazula. 30 June ngibuya ngangenze ukuthi ngibe le data ukuthi ngingubukela ishow le ngingale. Yangizwa ngithi angibuyanga ngenze ukuthi ngingubukela ishow le.
Kodwa namhla buzibukela.
Namhla ngiyabe ngizibukela. Ngedatha ngiyabe ngiyibolekile. Kodwa ngifuna ukusho umfana lothwa umonga. And also the second thing that I want to say, i-Highlanders ngiyethu is from Bulawayo 1926 to 2026. This is our club.
Nice one, my brother. Mana kumelo masmen.
Yeah.
Bela. Yeah. Mana masmen ngakhulumela. Mana vile tare mina. My brother.
Bra mina into engiyichoyo ukuthi yani yabona yale ndawo yani suka kuma draw amaningi yani ibisinika iBP and before caresses le BP ukuthi winile futhi unhliziyo phela yabinjani yabona so ngicela sijabe kakhulu yani iBP futhi yabikhwela futhi yabona
So iBP udliwe iBP winile. Uvumelana naye Tobi?
Uvumelana naye ngoba because yabona vele siyabula iBP yale ndiwine kanga 2-0 ngiyacela asingawini njalo hayi 1-0 right.
Maskman.
Yeah.
Awufa Tobi?
Hayi konke clean.
Nxa wine so phela kumele unyawule imask sikubone.
Hayi imask asoze nginyawule angeke nginyawule imask. But into engayitsho yi1 ukuthi I'm happy. Because sihlala silapha ngazidliwe sabe sikhona next game sabe sikwazi ukuthi amalanga awafanani. Awafana amalanga. But hayi siyathaba ngokwenzakala ngabafana bawina hayi into enhle kakhulu 2-0 vele is too much.
Nice one Maskman.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sharp Maskman.
Cela nisibuye futhi kusasa sibuye sisupport i-team yethu.
Nice one Maskman. Sharp my brother.
Siyabonga.
Ungavali camera.
Sije sijabulile sijabulele lokuzele njiva zethu ivini sizigcinile nje lapha enjube lapha echurch lapha sesithethe ichurch lana sanjani sayenza ukuthi sigcine abafowethu bana bana sibajenza kanjani abasuka bona bezitshela bahlakaniphile baye South Africa hayi sibagcinile kodwa sibuye labo khona lapha ngosikhumba oyiwhite sije sijabula hayi sijabulile siza sayichaya team leyabantu iRenters akunamuhle sayi lokho sadala sacina lokho sacina ukuyidla team leyi nje besifisa sifisa ukuthi sinjani sidle namhle size sayidla inqathi ukukhulu wabo kade bengamfakanga egemini
so anti abontile ngayenza okuhle ligcina abantu echurch libuye eboreni liyawina
exactly finish siyabonga
that's all my brother
ku social media ngiyacela
hayi izwayo Step 3 TV ku YouTube.
Exactly.
Nice one my brother. My brother.
Mfowethu namhla sithanda ukuthi sibonge kakhulu uBenjani. Benjani usebenzile lapha hayi i-team ibinhle. Mina ngisole kuphela ukuthi uPrince uqalile bengani uyantenga but hayi sithanda ukuthi sibonge ukuthi at least ama goals atholakele namhlanje igame ihambe kahle kakhulu. So next time just lesicelo sokuthi hayi umdala akaqalisa umfana wakhe. Akaqale ngelinye ilanga ngoba ispeed sakhe le pace Umaruwaro Junior siyamfuna ku next game aqale siyayisa isicelo sami zona leso ukuthi Umaruwaro Junior next game akaqale.
Nice one Buddhas.
Another thing uMonga is a star. Monga uyadlala hayi siyabonga sizamkhumbula kakhulu umfana sesimthengisile wela sibasola abadala imali yafunakala but hayi umfana ngowethu is very good siyabonga.
Nice one my brother. Afa Tobi
my brother alright.
I
think for ukuthatha uchomla okhulume ngomonga ukucina nje. I think umongameli we have lost as a team Highlanders. He's shown ukuthi he had a criticism after that. He was so criticized about abantu besi umongameli kadlale kuhle. But he has shown ukuthi ule talent and Highlanders has lost on umongameli. Can I my last comment? We were coming from a blackout.
There you have it, guys. The fans have reacted. Highlanders are 1 here at Papa Field Stadium, 2-0, defeating the stubborn Renters, the students. They've been giving Highlanders a torrid time for the longest of time. But today, they finally made the bitter Renters 2-0. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and engage us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. This episode was proudly brought to you by our number one sponsor, Lucky Pets. Thank you so much for watching.
Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shedera mutuze. Pass and move. Atina shika tima chinjari mwe groove.